If you want to start using Trading212, you should click on the link in the description to get a free share up to $100 when creating an account. To connect PayPal on your account, click the arrow icon beside the amount of your account. And as you can see here, your account value. Now click the deposit funds. Assuming you are already fully verified in this application, you'll be able to see a payment method once you click the deposit fund. Choose PayPal, then you'll be redirected to log into your PayPal account. And that's it, you've successfully linked your PayPal account. And if you want to continue depositing a fund to your account, just simply confirm the deposit and follow the instruction to authorize the connection and confirm your deposit. And that's how you connect PayPal to Trading212. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the YouTube channel.